Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Data Made Simple. I just want to make a quick video on what is business intelligence, right? You hear this term a lot, business intelligence, BI, etc. Right? I just want to quickly explain what it is. Okay, so business intelligence is a methodology wherein we collect all the data, okay, and then store it, and then do a reporting out of it, which makes sense to the business. So the reporting can be used to analyze what exactly happened and how did it happen, when did it happen, etc. Okay, so that's what a business intelligence is all about. Okay, so now the data will be made presented to the senior executives or business partners in a way that they can understand it much better. So they don't understand queries, they don't understand tables, database, etc. Right, but they do understand chart, like how the sales grew year over year, or which department is performing better than other department, etc. So yeah, that's what a business intelligence is all about. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. And if you have any questions, please comment. I would reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for your time. Bye.